Okay, I'm going to show you guys real quick how to fix air leaks on the pass-through on a Generation 1 Volvo. As you can see, let me see if I can get something to point with here. You got these, which hold 1/4 inch lines or 3/8 inch lines. See, I had a leak right here on the one that has the T-split, and I also had a leak on the one over here. And I tried to replace the O-rings on them on the outside, and that didn't fix it, so I figured I'd get a whole new one. Pass-through fitting. But these things actually, to me, they look like they were welded on, but they're not. And they have bars on the inside. I'll go show you that hold the other nut in place. So they're 11/16. You can back them off. You know, you got to drain your air in your tanks first so you can pull the air lines out. I had to take this one out in order to reach that, because that one looks like this, and the big T fitting wouldn't let it slide around. And see, this is what it looks like on the other end. So you would stick this in through the firewall on the inside, and this would connect to it from the outside. And so here's what a 3/8 one looks like. So you can see, you know, when you pull this brass collar out, there's an O-ring in there, but there's also an O-ring right here, and there's another O-ring on the inside. So you could probably service these if you pop them out and replace the O-rings. It'll probably fix the leak. Or you could just get new ones. These are about 20 bucks each. The one with the T fitting is like 30 bucks. But you know, you can keep your old ones and replace the O-rings and keep those for maybe a backup. The part number for this 3/8, I mean, excuse me, yeah, the 3/8 line is 8079640. Yeah, you can go straight through. And this is actually a good opportunity if you wanted to run, something electrical from the outside to the inside. You can use one of these ports down there that are not being used, and you silicone it up straight into here. So these are those ports, same ones you can see the light through. Yep, that's it. Basically, you know, you just push the collar in, pull them out. Then, like I said, see these, it's got these two rows that hold the bolt in place, the nut in place. So when you tighten it from the outside, you might need one person to help you, one person from the inside to push forward while you get it started. But then after that, these two tabs are going to keep it in place while you tighten it. And I used a deep weld socket, 7/16 I think it was, to tighten it from the outside. So I gotta wait on my T fitting to come in tomorrow. So I replaced my one air leak up there already. But yeah, that's how you do it. Either replace the O-rings, all 3 of them, or however many there is, or just do it like this.